up, y'all? I'm Darlicia, and welcome to Darlicia's Kitchen. Let's start cooking. What's up, y'all? I'm starting off with garlic, onions, parsley, and lemon thyme. And then I melt butter in a large pan. Let's throw in those onions and let them get tender. This is being cooked on medium heat. In goes the garlic. A little bit of crushed red pepper. And squeeze some lemon juice from a lemon. A cup of white wine. I used Pinot Grigio. Throw in some salt and pepper. But guess what? I used lemon pepper. I really love the lemon taste on mussels. And then I add a little bit of sugar just to balance the flavors. And then throw in that lemon thyme. And shout out to the lovely Mrs. Kedra Scott Freeman for giving me that wonderful lemon thyme fresh out of her garden. And then I bring to a boil and cover. Yeah, my colander is so raggedy. I gotta get another one, but I love that one. It does what I need it to do. Anyway, I'm just rinsing my mussels just to make sure I get all of that grittiness off of the shells. Put the mussels in the pan with the sauce and let them cook. Turn the heat down to about medium-low and wait on the shells to open. Once they're open, they're ready. Now, if you have some shells that don't open, you need to throw those out. When the shells don't open, means that the mussels were dead before you cooked them. You always want to make sure you're starting out with live mussels. The shells are now open, and then I turn the heat down to low. And throw in your parsley. My parsley also came fresh from Keedra's garden. Stir them and they're ready to serve. These mussels were so good, y'all. I served them as an appetizer. Check out Darlicia's Kitchen and Garden on Facebook. And subscribe, like, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.